Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Let's Crack OPSC. Hope all of your preparation going well. And as yesterday I told about answer writing. गतकाली मु आंसर राइटिंग विषय रे कहितली आजि रो जो वीडियो अछि आजि रो वीडियो रे हमें कथा हबा कि कंटेंट प्रिपरेशन फॉर आंसर राइटिंग. Yes, we will be speaking about this. आज आम टोटाली कंटेंट केमिति प्रिपेयर करिबा, भलो कंटेंट केमिति प्रिपेयर करिबा से विषय रे आमे कथा हबा. मेन कथा होउची कि जेते बेले आमे कंटेंट प्रिपरेशन रो कथा कहूचे से टाइम रे कोन हबो कि फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट थिंग यू सपोज टू बी फॉलोइंग सम बेसिक बुक्स जस्ट लाइक M. Lakshmikant for Indian polity, Ramesh Singh for Indian economy, then Shankar IAS for environment studies, then Ravi P. Agrahari for science and technology, then Spectrum publication for modern Indian history, then Harihar Panda, Odisha history, Odisha geography, that Kitab Mahal publication. If you will combine all this, not only staying there, you supposed to be preparing your own notes. आपण माने निजर नोट्स बनांतु. नोट्स बनेबाटा बहुत जरूरी काहेकि आपणको टाइम रे जेतेबेले एग्जाम पाखकु आसीबो you supposed to be doing revision, and when you have prepared the notes from this kind of a standard books, then you do not have to go through entire book page by page during your revision time in your main examination. आपणको मेन एग्जामिनेशन जेतलो पाखरे आसीबो से टाइम रे आपणको प्रति बुक रो पेज टू पेज आपणको जिबाकू पड़िबो नाही. देन when you are preparing the content, always try to remember that do not leave out some important information. आपण को हेले important information को न छाड़ी थिबा दरकार. जेतो बेले आपण कंटेंट मेन पाई कंटेंट प्रिपेयर करूचंदी सेते बेले कोई इंपोर्टेंट इन्फॉर्मेशन को छाड़ंतु नहीं. एंड नॉट ओनली दैट, while preparing your content you supposed to be keeping the syllabus along with you. आपणको पाखरे जो टोटल सिलेबस अछि ओपीएससी मेन रो से सिलेबस ता आपणको पाखे थिबा दरकार. Hard copy रे, I am not talking about soft copy in PDF format in your phone, mobile phone or laptop or tab. I am talking about a hard copy. It will be some 4-5 pages, but you supposed to be including your optional. It will be some 4-5 pages. Take the printout of this 4-5 pages and keep it along with you while you prepare your content for main examination. That is one part of your content preparation. Second part is you should have downloaded last 5 years main question papers. Last 5 years main question papers will be guiding you that in which direction your content supposed to be prepared. आपणकर जो कंटेंट अछि सेटा को डायरेक्शन रे प्रिपेयर हेथिबा दरकार सेटा आपण लास्ट 5 इयर्स रो जो क्वेश्चन पेपर डाउनलोड करिवे सेटा आपणको गाइडिंग लाइट हबो. आपणको गाइडिंग that will be your guiding light that you supposed to be preparing your content in this direction, so that when similar kind of a question will again come in your main examination you will be easily able to handle those questions. आपण माने इजीली से क्वेश्चन को हैंडल करि परिबे. तो कंटेंट प्रिपरेशन रे ट्राई करंतु कि as innovative as possible, as unique as possible. यूनिक रो अर्थ होउची कि आपणकर आंसर अन्य टू केते भिन्न सेटा बहुत मैटर करे. स्पेशली आपणको आंसर ता अन्य रो आंसर टू टोटली अलगा हबा दरकार. अलगा इन द सेंस लुक रे, प्रेजेंटेशन वाइज as well as it is should be having some material in the sense people are not writing totally unnecessary things in that main body of a particular question. You're not supposed to be doing that. Either you supposed to be giving some facts, figures, some of your internal thoughts you're supposed to be expressing in that particular question. this will give you added boost to your flair of your answer, and it is not a overnight thing that you will develop answer writing. I have repeated that in my last video also. It is not overnight you cannot be writing some great answers. First you will write some standard answers, slowly you will improve. Every day you will analyze yourself that okay, I have written this answer, then how I can improve slowly. It will be incremental steps you supposed to be taking. The more incremental steps you will take quick and fast, the better will be your answer writing quick and fast. आपण माने जेते जल्दी छोटो छोटो स्टेप नेबे कि आउ किछि इंप्रूवमेंट करि पारि, आउ किछि इंप्रूवमेंट करि पारिबी, से लेवल रे ही स्लोली से कंटेंट ता भलो हबो. आउ आपण माने स्ट्रक्चर्ड फॉर्मेट रे ही आंसर राइट करिबी. As I have mentioned that in your last video, that first it has to be introduction, second it has to be main body, that is your main content, and then finally your conclusion. आपण मेन जिंस कथा होची कि आपणकर जो कंटेंट आपण लिखिबे सेटा सेही कॉन्टेक्स्ट रे लिखिबा को दरकार जोटा कि क्वेश्चन पचारा हेची. जदि जो क्वेश्चन पचारा हेची ताटू आपण टोटली अन्य ट्रैक रे लिखिबे तो आपण को भलो मार्क मिलिबो नाही. You supposed to be writing the context in which the question is being asked. If say for example the role of Chief Minister of Odisha, if this particular question is being asked, you are not supposed to be writing that Chief Minister, he is means role of Chief Minister means you supposed to be holistically mentioning what is the role of the Chief Minister. Say starting from the formation of a cabinet, then how he coordinates the entire group activity of the ministers, how he is the, you can say, chief spokesperson, he is the leader of the party, he is the leader of the house, then he represents the state outside as a leader of a state. Then you say that all the executive decisions are vested in him. Then he checks corruption, he motivates his teammates in order to provide good public service. Then he checks the bureaucracy. If bureaucracy lacks the working skill, he gives them the direction to the bureaucracy. Then you can say some constitutional provisions you should also include. In what are the provisions in which the Chief Minister is, along with the Council of Ministers, is doing the duties, and what are the responsibilities. These are the things which will, in as less words as possible, if you are able to express, then your answer will be standing out. I hope the things are clear to you. Content preparation is very very important, not only for your GS paper but for your optional papers and essay paper too. The more better study you will be making, the better essay you will write for your main examination. I hope the things are clear to you in this particular video. The better preparation of content, the better writing you will be doing in the main examination. You supposed to be slowly writing better answers, and slowly that will reflect in your marks in the main examination. It will be happening slowly. It will not be happening overnight. So I think I have made many points. You will keep it in mind while making content, especially for main examination. Do follow these tips. It is going to be very very helpful. Thank you very much. Happy learning. Enjoy the process in which you learn. It will bring down your burden of, you will not be feeling bored.